folks, we made it around. Didn't lose a single tractor. We all made it back to the finish point. Time for some lunch now. Right here alongside the railroad track. Time to finish just perfect because we was able to come across the track just ahead of the train. So make one more swing down through here. Let you see the tractors. We're in Dellrose, Tennessee. Just on Highway 273. And we're just glad to be here. At my age, I'm glad to be anywhere, to be honest. But there's the Dellrose Fire Department. This is all to benefit them and to help them with keep their operation going. So we're gonna sit down and have some lunch now. So y'all, thank y'all for coming along with me. And we're going to sign off now. And maybe next time I do a video, it'll be, I don't know, probably be one of the Clarksville Tractor Show. But we'll see. Maybe I'll post something before then. Small ride, but fantastic. Beautiful country. I wish I'd have been able to video the scene around there. The gorgeous country and the back roads. And one thing that came to mind as I was doing the ride, and I could flip you back. It came to mind as I was doing the ride. A lot of times you go on a ride and you see pretty much the same group of tractors. I mean, size-wise, or brand and model number. There were only a couple of tractors in this whole ride that were a match. There was a couple of little C's, Farmall C's, but other than that, everything was unique. There was no duplicates of model numbers, and that was kind of neat. So, signing off for now. Bye, y'all.